Some motorcycles become famous because they're fast, some because they're rare, and some because they steal the spotlight in movies. But today we're looking at something a little different. These are motorcycles hiding in Oscar-winning films. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Motorcycle Rewind, and today we have something special. The top 5 movie motorcycles of all time. Roman Holiday, 1953. In 1953, a small romantic comedy set in Rome introduced the world to one of Hollywood's most charming stars. Roman Holiday follows a runaway princess who escapes royal life for one unforgettable day in the city. The film won 3 Academy Awards and turned Audrey Hepburn into an international sensation. In 1953, a little Italian scooter helped create one of the most famous scenes in movie history. In Roman Holiday, Audrey Hepburn rides through the streets of Rome on a Vespa 125 with Gregory Peck. This scene helped turn Vespa into a worldwide icon. The film won 3 Academy Awards, including Best Actress for Audrey Hepburn. And it proved something important. You don't need to be a big motorcycle to steal the show. Moving on to number 4, a Triumph TR6 Trophy. The Great Escape, 1963. Based on a true World War II story, The Great Escape follows Allied prisoners planning a daring breakout from a German POW camp. The movie became famous for its incredible action scenes and one unforgettable motorcycle chase that cemented Steve McQueen as the king of cool. One of the greatest motorcycle scenes ever filmed happens in The Great Escape. The bike looks like a German military motorcycle, but it's actually a Triumph TR6 Trophy, ridden by none other than Steve McQueen. McQueen was a serious motorcycle racer, and he did much of the riding himself. The famous barbed wire jump, that was done by stunt rider Bud Akins, but it became one of the most iconic moments in motorcycle cinema. At number 3, we have a Harley-Davidson Fat Boy. Not just any Harley-Davidson Fat Boy. The one from Terminator 2 in 1991. When Terminator 2 hit the theaters, it changed action movies forever. With groundbreaking visual effects and non-stop adrenaline, the film followed a reprogrammed Terminator protecting a young John Connor from a nearly unstoppable new enemy, and went on to win 4 Academy Awards. Few motorcycles ever benefited from a movie like the Harley-Davidson Fat Boy did from Terminator 2 Judgment Day. When Arnold Schwarzenegger blasts through the LA River Channel on this bike, reloading a shotgun with one hand, the Fat Boy instantly became one of the most recognizable motorcycles in the world. The movie would go on to win 4 Academy Awards, and the Fat Boy became a legend. And we all remember Arnold saying, "I'll be back." At number 2, released in 1969, Easy Rider became the defining motorcycle movie of the counterculture era. The film follows 2 bikers traveling across America in search of freedom, discovering both the beauty and the tension of the country along the way. It became a cultural landmark and an unexpected Hollywood hit. If any motorcycle symbolizes freedom, it's this one. The Captain America chopper from Easy Rider. Built from a Harley-Davidson Hydroglide, the bike's stretched front end and American flag tank helped define an entire generation of custom motorcycles. The film won an Academy Award for Best Original Screenplay. But the real star of the movie might have been the Captain America chopper. And number one goes to one of the most famous motorcycles in movie history, the Kawasaki GPZ900R. In Top Gun, Tom Cruise races down the runway alongside an F-14 fighter jet. At the time, the GPZ900R was the fastest production motorcycle in the world. And after this movie, everyone wanted one. The film won an Academy Award for Best Original Song. If you know it, sing it, because this motorcycle will take your breath away. In 1986, Top Gun took audiences inside the Navy's elite fighter pilot training school. With high-speed aerial combat, unforgettable music, and a breakout performance from Tom Cruise, the film became one of the biggest hits of the decade and won an Academy Award for Best Original Song. So guys, there you have it, my top 5 movie motorcycles from movies that won Academy Awards. I know we probably missed a few, and if we did, go ahead and let me know in the comments. And as always, guys, I'd like to thank you for watching yet another episode of Motorcycle Rewind. And do me a favor, like, tag, share, and follow us on Instagram at Motorcycle Rewind. And go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Thanks again, guys, and have a great day.